Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a fortune-telling service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSite platform to build a simple website for your fortune-telling services. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, currently over 900, and we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, fortune telling services. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city, my state, region, my business name. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from literally all around the globe. Once you click on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for you with the information you've just put in. You can skip this tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and do that right now and show you exactly how to make some changes. But let's first take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own stunning images. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written here for you. Make it a little bit more personalized to your business. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to start with the first section. Let's get started. And I'm going to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Phone number, that is click to call, by the way. And address, physical location, maybe strictly online, but if you do have an address, you can put it in here, physical location. And when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed for your social channels at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. I'm absolutely loving these colors. But if you'd like to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, scroll through the various color palettes, no color coding needed at all. Awesome. Now, for each section you'd like to make changes to make it a little bit more personalized to your business, click on update section directly underneath that section. And update images where you can browse your device or search through that photo library. Hundreds of free images to choose from that are high quality. Otherwise, you have the option to connect your Instagram accounts if you have a profile, automatically pull in all those photos. And update actions where we can change that call to action button, the text on the button, and where it links to. If you take online bookings for your services, you can link to another website or a third party. Otherwise, you can also upload a PDF file, which is a great option. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom, click it to connect your domain. If you don't have a domain, we highly recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. And you can actually purchase your custom domain as well by clicking on that button as well. I really hope the short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on our platform for your fortune telling services. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.